Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to use vector layer. So you need to create for the vector layer by going to the layer tools and then click new vector layer. Or another option you can right click and then choose new layer. Now you can choose the vector layer. The other you can go to the layer menu and then you can click new layer and then choose the vector layer. So what the difference between normal and the vector layer? So we have these options for the vector. Like I will draw with these pen tools in the vector layer like this. So you can edit these objects by using the correct line. You can click and then click the line. So you can edit by vertex with this vector layer. You also can thickness or increase the line size by going to the operation menu and then click the tool settings. Now you can click the brush size to change size of the line. So that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to use vector layer.